Good morning. Another day, another milestone broken, and I still have very bad dandruff. Yeah. You guys, tell me the medicine. Queen Kib's World, please, I'm still waiting for your tips on dandruff because I have very bad dandruff and it's killing me. I don't even have peace. Anyway, another day, another milestone that we have managed to conquer. So today, the plumber has come. I didn't even know that plumbing, like, it's done when the slab has not yet been done. I actually thought plumbing work is done after the house is complete. So yeah, learning new things over here. But the plumber has come. They have bought the BRC. I've just learned that word today. So don't ask me what that is, but just know those pipes that are going to be laid are called BRC or something. So that's what I'll be showing today. And we also had some what is it called, some delays because of the rain. Let me show you. So you see where that guy is pouring the hardcore, that's kind of like my sitting room. But anyway, this was supposed to be done like by Friday so that on Saturday the slab can be arranged, but then today is Monday. So what happened is Saturday morning, who can see my hubby? My hubby is exercising. He's not actually doing that job, but that is a stone on a stick and it's really heavy. So he's like, since I don't go to the gym, let me just gym it here. Don't take him seriously. Anyway, like I was saying, so on Saturday morning it started raining really heavily. Actually, it rained like almost the whole night. So in the morning around 10, that's when the rain stopped. So there was no work that could be done on Saturday. So it has really like taken us back, but it's okay, no money wasted. So it's just time, and we really want this house to be done with so that we can stop paying rent and save that money to finish the house completely. So yeah, that's why that place is still that's why that place still looks like that. But who can see my son? I just thought I should show you how young the plumber is. That's the plumber right there. Yeah, I feel like I'm really empowering these young guys, and I'm really happy and proud. And by me, I mean my hubby. Yeah, I couldn't get a good angle for you guys because my son is seated over there, and yeah, I'm keeping him off the internet. Kuria, mi karibu Saturday niwapigie niwaambie mvua imeisha saa 3. it's safe to say I have never been on a construction site before, or I've never been in a construction industry or paid attention to it. Because what name did I call these things again? Very proudly. And that's actually metal, and this is plastic. Yeah, but anyway, this is the plumbing work going on. So these PVC have been locked so that dust does not get in. And okay, not really dust, like dirt, literally dirt. And also when they're doing the slab, the cement and the everything that goes on goes into the slab does not go into that. Yeah, so this is what they're doing. They're supposed to lay them down so that after the slab, then there is a way for water to go through. I feel stupid for not knowing that. I don't know how I thought the pipes were laid after the house is finished, but sometimes our brains do not think to their capacity, and it's allowed. My son is reacting, but I'm so glad that I'm able to do this for my son, for my kids. I'll have a lot of kids. Yeah, my hubby, if my hubby hears that, but I'll have a lot of kids, so I'm really glad that I'm able to do this when they're still not here, and when my son is young, and before we have a lot of responsibilities. They are basically covering this up so that when we do the slab, okay, my son my son is agitated because he wants to sleep. Let me take my son to sleep. They're basically covering this so that tomorrow when they do the slab, the pipes will stay in place. So see you tomorrow. I'm so excited. Thank you for watching this. Stay tuned. See you on the next video.